kids in the front row that better pay attention.
And Kevin Owens, I hope he doesn't plan on staying here. Kevin Owens sent flying into the barricade. Knocked off his feet. Owens went flying through the air.
He says,
wait a minute.
Let's do it again.
Oh my God, he's got a full lap around the ring. Kevin, stay down. You don't need to do this, bro. Don't.
No.
Oh my God. No. And tonight on Monday Night Raw, the victimization was perpetrated by Braun Strowman.
Here comes the Super Bowl. Talk about wearing down your opponent, the challenger towards your title.
Here we go. Undertaker taking matters into his own hands after Khali turned down the SummerSlam challenge. Chop slam.
At least 8 feet to down there.
If Braun Strowman connect here, set Roman Reigns up. Looking at the announce table. Reigns fighting back though. Reigns back on his feet. Spear! Oh my God! Reigns has speared Strowman off the stage.
Here comes the Hall of Famer.
Angle still has a flurry left in him. Ducks underneath and an angle with the angle slam. Angle slam by Angle.
Opportunities like this don't come around often. Both of them in a precarious position. Plex! That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it.
Rollins lands on his feet. Kick to the midsection. Rollins throws round kick to the face of KO.
I can't believe he's got the power to pick up Kevin Owens.
How the hell is he doing this? Through the table and another table. There's no disqualification. Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. No. A pedigree to Rollins. Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna end you. Adam Cole saying he's gonna end Allen.
Flying into the barricade. Knocked off his feet. Owens went flying through the air.
He says,
wait a minute.
Let's do it again.
Oh my God, he's got a full lap around the ring. Kevin, stay down. You don't need to do this, bro. Don't.
No.
Oh my